An ordinary room. A normal packing box. But inside, a small appliance for the house, a giant leap for house cleaning. It's the Roomba vacuum cleaner. So smart, it operates without you.
It's a true working robot, and you know what? The thing is, you may not notice it's a robot, and it doesn't matter. A $200 working vacuum that will know how to vacuum a room on its own.
We toss down some typical carpet gunk and set the Roomba loose.
It'll start by working in circles, crop circles we call them, concentric circles, out and out and out.
And at each pass, it picked up more of the powder. As a vacuum, it's adequate. The fuss isn't about Roomba's brushes, but its brains.
If you keeps hitting obstacles, it goes to the edge, it goes to the wall, then it follows the wall, and then it says, I'm looking for another big opening, and it finds it, it starts cutting across, and then it starts doing its concentric circles again.
It avoids sudden drops like steps. In fact, it cleaned our tabletop without once tipping off the edge. Lance believes this simple-to-use and affordable robot will change not just house cleaning, but the way we look at machines.
It's a vacuum, but everyone uses vacuums, and it's under $200, so it's not suddenly a $7,000 robot vacuum that everybody wishes they could have and that they have to program. This is a product that we just pulled out of the box, turned on, and it does its job.
But all is not perfect.